Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're taking a look at an altcoin, Helium, currently up 32.1% in the last 1 day. In the last 1 week we have seen Helium pump 12.1%. even though Helium is down 94.3% in the last 1 year. It's the bottom in for Helium in the bear market. We have seen Helium get to as low as $1.6. Right now Helium has caught a sharp bounce back to the $2.2 level. Will Helium continue pumping to higher prices, or is this just a pump to see us dump further down to Goblin Town? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the Helium US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We're also looking at Helium's market cap, Helium's performance against Bitcoin, and Helium's performance against Ethereum. Should we continue buying some Helium right now in the bear market, or is this just a pump to deceive us for further dump to the downside? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, Helium is currently down bad in the crypto bear market. In the last 1 year alone, we have seen Helium go from as high as $42.66 to as low as $1.75. Currently, Helium is pumping on a daily, on a weekly, and on a monthly time frame. Is the bottom in for Helium in the bear market? We have seen Helium had a wonderful bounce off the $1.6 level, getting to as high as $2.1. In the previous video, we talked about the worst case scenario for Helium, how Helium can probably break to lower prices. But right now, we are seeing Helium bounce to the upside. But guys, let's not get carried away. We have seen Helium do this exact bounce 2 different times in the bear market. It first happened at the $6.89 level. We saw Helium catch a hot bounce up to the upside, pumping from the $6.8 level, carrying it up to the $12.19 level. In total, we saw Helium rally up more than 78%. The next time Helium was going to do that was in September 2022. We saw Helium catch a bounce off the $3.3 level. Helium pump up to as high as $5.7, going up more than 71%. So right now, as Helium is bouncing, is the same thing happening again? Are we going to see Helium rally up maybe 70%, maybe to as high as the $2.8 level before finally dumping down to Goblin Town? Only time will tell, but these are key levels to pay attention to for Helium right now in the bear market. As we're bouncing off the $1.6 level, we might face some resistance when we get to the $3.37 level, and if we're lucky, we might see Helium even pump to the $6.89 level. But guys, worst case scenario, we'll give back all these gains we're making today back to the market, and Helium will come and attempt to set new lows in the bear market. When the bear market still, you want to still pay attention to that $1.1 level. Helium might still find a way to work its way through that level. We're still in the bear market. You have to keep your eyes at that $1.1 level. Helium might find a way to work its way down to the $1.1 level. The crypto bear market is where millionaires are made. When my favorite altcoin is down 94.3% in the last 1 year, that's where you want to be accumulating. That's when you want to be buying, getting ready for the next bull run. Helium has gone to an all-time high of $53.3. It got there in November 2021. And we've also seen Helium dump to Goblin Town, getting to as low as $1.6 in the bear market of 2022. Helium has gone down more than 97% from the all-time high we set last year. So I'll not be shocked to see the bottom coming in for Helium right now. At the same time, I'll not be shocked if we see Helium dumping to that $1.1 level, which will mean Helium will be down 98% from its all-time high. If you want to be celebrating by the end of the next bull run, if you want to be among those investors that will be happy about Helium in the bear market, when the market's in extreme fear, when people are scared to touch all coins, you want to do the opposite of what the crowd is actually doing. Now, if you take a look at some details about Helium, in the last 1 year, Helium went from as high as $45 to as low as $1.5 with a market cap of $297 million. Helium has a fully diluted market cap of $490 million. The maximum supply of 223 million Helium coins. We have over 134 million Helium coins in circulation, and Helium is currently ranked 86 on CoinMarketCap. Over 323,000 people have Helium on their watch list. While you want to get some Helium in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, Helium is a decentralized blockchain powered for Internet of Things devices. Helium was launched in 2019. The Helium mainnet allowed low-power wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across its network of nodes. Nodes come from so-called hotspots, which are a combination of wireless gateways and blockchain mining devices. Users who operate nodes mine and earn reward in Helium native currency, HNT. Now, where can we get some Helium if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? You can get some Helium on Binance, on Qcoin, on Gate.io, on OKX, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Helium's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have seen Helium have a sharp bounce. As Helium is pumping against Bitcoin and Ethereum, you want to be very, very careful. The two other times you saw Helium have this kind of pump against Ethereum in the bear market, Helium outperformed Ethereum by 175%. But what happened after that pump? Helium went to set new all-time lows, losing 80% of its value. Now, Helium had another pump again in September, where it outperformed Ethereum by more than 100%. What happened after that again? We saw Helium go to set new all-time lows. So I'll not be shocked to see Helium after this pump coming to set new all-time lows. We have seen Helium pump more than 49% against Ethereum in this pump we're having right now. Helium is not far from the all-time low we set in January 2021. I'll not be shocked to see Helium work its way back to set new all-time lows in the bear market of 2022. If you take a look at Helium's performance against Bitcoin, it's at a very, very crucial level right now. Even though we have seen Helium pump against Bitcoin, let's not get carried away. We're still in the bear market. We're still setting a lower high. And after this pump, we might see Helium come for one final dump to the downside. So be careful out there with all coins in the bear market. All coins are very, very volatile. But guys, that is actually why we like altcoins. Yes, they can dump really well to the downside, but when they start pumping, they can pump really well to the upside. Just like Helium has pumped up more than 32% in the last 24 hours. That's why you want to hold altcoins when the market is pumping, because they can be dumping for 1 year and they can recover all those losses in just a 3-month period. Now, if you take a look at Helium's market cap, in the previous video, we talked about the worst case scenario for Helium's market cap, and maybe we could get to this $96 million level. But Helium's market cap has caught a bounce off the $218 million level. I'll not be shocked to see us maybe even rally as high as $423 million. But guys, there's always the possibility we'll see Helium's market cap dropping to that $96 million level. So you want to pay attention to that level in the bear market. You want to be careful. The fact that Helium's market cap has gone from as high as $5.5 billion to as low as the $218 million, which means it's down 96% from its all-time high. That doesn't mean we can't keep going lower in the bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying more Helium right now in the bear market? Do you think the bottom is in as we've gotten this pump to the upside? How high do you think this rally can get us to? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.